Hi, everyone. Here we are in week 6. This week, we've had a great discussion talking about historical consciousness, worthwhile conversations and dialogues on this topic, both in class, carrying over into your discussion board posts as well. I thought you all had some really insightful things to say on this topic, both in theory and practice, as we think about what it means, as we conceptualize the idea of historical consciousness, and then what it means for us in the classroom when we think about varying perspectives and understanding different backgrounds and cultures and lived experiences and what that means within individuals' historical consciousness and what that means for us as social studies educators. And so, really great conversation. Just some themes that came out of your posts were really valuable, bringing in different perspectives into the classroom, creating spaces for dialogue and discussions, and also understanding that historical consciousness is multifaceted. We talked about the different layers that bring it into practice and into the field, but also understanding that we ourselves will bring historical consciousness into the classroom. And so, really valued some of your thoughts and perspectives in those posts and your dialogue with one another. We are jumping into what I would say, our final week of section 1 of this course when we think about the history of social studies education, how it's been shaped over time. So we're going to continue that discussion this week as we look at critical issues in social studies research. And we're going to do a deep dive into that. We're going to talk a little about the National Council of the Social Studies. And I look forward to continue our discussions together this week as we wrap that up. Of course, all of section 1 we wrapped up with are passed as a prologue paper, which will be due on Sunday. We've touched on that. We're going to touch more on it and answer any questions you may have. So that is coming up. But I look forward to seeing everybody on Tuesday and jumping in further together. We'll see you soon.